Hi, this is Stux, a strawberry season, and I'll be teaching you an easy strawberry mousse recipe. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So the first thing to do is to set about 3 to 4 strawberries aside for your toppings, and as for the rest, you wash and cut into smaller size. After cutting, you add into your blender, add your sugar and blend. "30 minutes prior to this, place your wire whip or your whisk and your whipped cream into the freezer. You can also place the bowl you'll be using for the whipped cream in the fridge before use. Chilling the cream before use helps to give a more lighter, smoother and more stable whipped cream, which enables it to hold its shape better and longer. Once your whipped cream is ready, separate half cup from your strawberry puree, set aside and fold in the rest of the puree into the whipped cream. Split the half cup of strawberry purees between your cups or your dessert bowls, add in the whipped strawberry cream and refrigerate for some hours before serving. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. My name is Stux, and on this channel I upload easy and yummy recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. So in this video, I left my strawberry mousse in the refrigerator overnight, and this is how it looks. Toppings you can use for your strawberry mousse include sliced or diced strawberries and chocolates. What strawberry recipe would you love to learn or see on my channel? And will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like the video, share and comment. See you some other time.